Are you starting a new business, side hustle, or projects but don't have a logo yet? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Canva's AI Logo Generator can help you make one in just seconds. Hey guys, this is Vanryn and welcome back to my channel. Sorry about my voice, I have cough and I have sipon, okay? Okay, so let's go. First, go to Canva and click Canva AI. Click Design for Me and click Logo. Okay, now here's the easy part. You don't have to design the logo yourself. Just type in your business name or whatever you want to design. For example, Vanryn's Smart Bank. Sure. Okay, now if you're done, just hit enter or hit this arrow right here, submit. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. And here we go. Wow, that's cool. Vanryn Smart Bank. Vanryn Smart Bank. So nice. Hey. Okay, let's make another one. Vanryn Smart Vanryn's Bakery, for example. Bakery. What's the spelling of bakery? Jesus Christ. Okay. Now wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. Oh, wow, it's so cool. Vanryn's Bakery. The design is very clean, very demure, very girly. Okay. And you can also describe your design. Okay. For example, Vanryn's Bakery. Bakery. Spelling. Make it aesthetic, and use the color light blue steel. Yeah, thank you. Let's see. Wow, this is so nice. Great. Now, if you like one of the result, for example, I like this one. Okay, to download it, just click it and click use Canva editor. Yes. And if you want to download it, just click share and download. Choose your file type, for example, JPEG. And yeah, hit download. And voila, you have your own logo. Nice, right? Now, if you like this content, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So that's it for today. See you in my next vlog. Bye!